people and I said, oh, can I have some donuts today? And I said, I would love to. Unfortunately, it's actually quite a long process.
But you would make like a lot of them in that space of time. It wouldn't be just one.
Yeah, no. You can make as many as you can kind of, as many as you can.
So,
really.
So what you do? You put them in and put them in an oven? What you do? What you do?
No, so these are fried donuts.
Fried donuts. Yes. Well, there you go. I didn't know you could have fried a donut. But it's a very simple thing. So these are fried donuts.
Yes.
Oh.
So after they've risen, so you leave them to rise for about 3 hours.
Yeah.
Then you fry them, let them to cool down, and then fill them. So all the fillings I make from scratch.
Okay. You say you sell them at the Kingston night market.
Yes.
Well, I never know that Kingston had a night market.
Yes.
Where is the Kingston night market?
You do. The Kingston night market is on Hillcrest Avenue. So it's outside the restaurant Fromage.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's every Tuesday. And it's basically just a kind of a way for small businesses to kind of sell to the public. So you have lots of different stands. You've got food, you've got art, you've got crafts.
But you only do donuts?
I only do donuts.
So you don't have a physical space right now?
I don't have a physical space right now. I'm working on that. Okay. But what I do is I do accept orders via Instagram and via email. Okay. So my Instagram is hey, it's tea time. Time is in the herb. And my email is also heyitsteatime@gmail.com.
Yeah, and tea time is THYME.
Like the herb.
Yeah. So you have a nice little box. It says handmade with love.
Yes. Yes, everything's handmade, and I do it
and
from
everything
scratch.
is made with love.
With love, yes. Well, that makes a difference.
What does that mean, though? You make it with love.
It makes a difference. It means that you put you want everything to be perfect.
So if I taste one, I'm going to fall in love.
That's the plan, that's the hope.
Well, all right. Where is... If it leave the studio, well, I'm already in love with her, so... Lovely jobby. Excuse me, I'm in love. Where is she? Oh, this is lovely.
Thank you.
There's a secret ingredient to all of this?
I can't say.
I
can't say.
No, you're on television, you have to say.
No, I can't say. I do add an extra little something, but I can't.
No, you cannot come on national television and don't tell us the thing. You have to tell us.
I can't.
All right, I will tell you.
Maybe you can try and guess.
Try and guess the secret ingredient. Sugar. Vanilla.
That's a vanilla flavour. That's a
vanilla. I got it.
No, that's a vanilla cream filling.
But this is special. It's different from how a regular donut would be made. So you're not telling us?
I can't.
How can you be found again? Could you put it up, please?
Okay, so it's at...
there you go. Right there?
Yep, Hey It's Tea Time.
Yep.
On Instagram, and also heyitsteatime@gmail.com. And I do custom orders. I just need 2 days notice.
What do you mean by you do custom orders?
So people can order, it's a minimum of 6, and they can choose whichever flavour they want, and I will deliver.
If I tell you a flavor that you have never done, you could come up with that.
I could try and do it, yeah.
All right, I want a white rum flavor.
A white rum, like a custard, or?
Yeah, something like that. All right, we have to go. Just read that for me now, please. I am.
Jade Cummings of Tea Time Donuts.
Wave.